Ünlü İngiliz Birkbeck Koleji ve Londra Üniversitesi hukuk profesörü Bill Bowring, Önder Apo'nun Orta Doğu'nun huzurunun sağlanmasında rolünü oynaması için derhal serbest bırakılması gerektiğini söyledi. Televizyonumuz muhabirlerinden Erem Kansoy'un sorularını yanıtlayan Bowring, Türkiye'de demokrasinin gerilediğine dikkat çekti. Ayrıca Türk Devleti Öcalan'ı derhal serbest bırakmalıdır çağrısını yaptı.
Öcalan is alive, and of course, initially the Turkish government wanted to execute him, and they were stopped by the European Court of Human Rights. But the conditions in which he's being kept, I think, are really inhuman and dreadful. And I've been following this for quite a few years. Some years ago, I met his brother and talked about what the situation is there for him. I know the European Committee for the Prevention of Torture have been there more than once to check on what is happening. But I think to be kept for so many years in solitary confinement is really impossible for him, and really a very serious violation of his rights by Turkey. Well, I support the campaign, and I've just received the International Day Remember Öcalan, held for more than 2 decades, etc., from Peace in Kurdistan, and there is my name. So I've been supporting this for a long time, and I'm very glad to see so many people with whom I agree on other issues who are also patrons of peace in Kurdistan. Well, I think the Turkish government must set him free as soon as possible. He's been there for much longer than any conceivable sentence, and I think once he is free, then he will be an extremely important factor in bringing about peace in Turkey and peace with Kurdistan. I mean, however, when we look now at what's happening to the HDP and its leaders, if Mr. Öcalan was to be freed at the present time, I'm quite sure he would be arrested again and join not only the HDP leaders. The situation in Turkey at the moment is getting worse rather than better. But I'm sure that to free Mr. Öcalan would be a really important step.